Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 2006 Omal insert CNC feed-through cabinet door hinge machine. This machine is fully automated. You do get the safety fence with it. It is in fully operational condition. Right now it is in hibernate mode. It is basically ready to run. You just have to add the material. It does have full control cabinet with built-in AC. That's what you hear right now, is that AC unit in the top left here. Nice clean cabinet. We'll just take a quick walk around. Basically, we have a couple of pieces of plywood to represent different size doors. Those heads are going to continue to run until it goes back into hibernate mode. Right now it's calculating out all the hinges, the spacing. Last but not least, with this nice little 12-inch guy. It's actually going to use one head to do both movements. As you can see, basically it's going to auto-calculate out the spacing and how many hinges you need. Obviously, the longer doors are going to get 3 hinges. Again, that head will turn off, yep, right about now. She's gonna go back into hibernate. But the machine is ready to go. Basically, if you put more material in, she's gonna turn right back on. Nice, fully functioning, rare machine. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.